Okay, so this tutorial is for the Clearomizer CE4, CE5, and CE6. This one is CE4, and it has long wicks, as you can see in the tube, and they also come with short wicks. I guess it's a preference. You may want to try them both so you can decide which one you get the best satisfaction, but this is a CE4 with long wicks. The capacity here is 1.6 millimeter. These are easy to fill. It's very easy. You will open it. You will tilt it. Inside there is a metal tube. There is a metal tube. You do not want to get juice in that metal tube. The metal tube is for your airflow. And if you get juice in there, if you don't tilt it correctly, you will most likely inhale some juice. To fill, you will get your dropper. You will tilt it. And you will pour the juice as it tilts, making sure you're not filling the metal. You do not want to fill past the 1.6 mark. You just want to make your filling point where the mark is. And you want to quickly screw your mouthpiece back on. Wait 2 minutes. You will screw it into your Ego battery. This is the Clearomizer CE5, and this one has no wicks. It's also, other people call it wickless, dual hole. You can see in the tube there is 2 holes in the tube. This is the dual hole system. It does not require any wicks, and you can just enjoy them. All you have to do is unscrew the mouthpiece, fill in the juice, and you are ready for vaping. This one is the Clearomizer CE6. Now, this is a rebuildable Clearomizer. It goes CE4 with wicks, CE5 wickless, and then CE6, which is rebuildable, and they come in long wicks and short wicks. So you can take the pieces apart and replace the parts, the atomizer, the coil heads inside. In order to do that, you will unscrew the bottom. See? It comes apart. And here you have the mouthpiece, the atomizer, and the tube. Head coil, bottom coil. All these parts are replaceable, so you can put them together. All you have to do is attach the head coil with the bottom coil. You will put it inside your tube. You will screw it tightly, and then you will screw the mouthpiece on. And there you have it. It's a fully assembled CE6 rebuildable Clearomizers. They are very good, and they provide a lot of vapor. They are to be refilled just as we demonstrated in the first part of this video. This is an example. This is one that I already have, the CE6. They are excellent.